change out my oil pressure sensor on my 12 valve, I'm going to use some electronics cleaner to clean out the connection thoroughly before I reinstall. I'm using a 1 1/16 size socket to get around the oil pressure sensor, and then a ratchet to go with the socket. Oh, I forgot to mention that I got this oil pressure sensor from Gino's Garage. They have 2 sensors on there for 12 valves, so make sure you are buying the correct one for your truck. The oil sensor is located on the driver's side of your truck by your power steering pump. Let's see if I can find it on the camera. There it is right there. It's still plugged in. And that is underneath the intake horn. Step 1 is to unplug the oil sensor plug. So now the oil sensor is unplugged and I'm ready to unscrew it from the motor. Now that step 1's complete, you can see that I screwed the new oil pressure sensor in to the side of the motor securely with that 1 1/16 socket, and I cleaned the electrical fitting and plugged it back in, and now I'm ready to test drive it and see if it worked. So it's been about a week since I changed the oil pressure sensor, and I would say the issue is fixed. I haven't had the oil indicator light come on in the truck since I changed it out, and the oil pressure has been reading normal in gear, neutral, reverse, and so forth. So I'm happy to say that the sensor fixed the issue. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and take care.